Hello. In this tutorial we will add these drawer boxes, or some of them, to TrunCAD. Therefore, we go to Front, here to Draw, and to Hardware Settings. First of all, we need to give our new system a name. Then, we need to specify if it is a wooden drawer or a drawer box system. Additionally, you have the option to set it to interior drawer box. Here we need to specify the distance from the side to the back of the drawer and to the bottom of the drawer. As we can see here, we have here 86 divided by 2 is 43, and 97 divided by 2 is 48.5 millimeters. This means we have here 48.5 millimeters and here 43 millimeters. Here we need to set a name for each specific drawer box. Then we need to set the minimal depth, which is nominal length plus 5 millimeters. Then we need to set the minimal height, which is 33 plus 63.5 equals to 96.5 millimeters. Then we need to set the length of our bottom part, which is nominal length minus 24 millimeters, which equals to 276 millimeters. And the height of our back panel. Which is given at 84 millimeters. Now that we have specified the wooden parts for our drawer box, we can begin to set the boreholes. First of all, we want to set the boreholes for the side of our cabinets. Therefore, we take here sides and specify the direction of the boreholes, which is x minus. Also, we want to enable mirror hole, that the holes we create on the left side of the cabinet automatically mirror to the right side of the cabinet. So we want to set our first hole in x 0 and y to 37, in C to 33, plus 11 millimeters, set a depth of 2 millimeters since we have screw mount and a diameter of 5. Now we click plus to add this borehole. And as you can see, the borehole gets created. As you can see here, our next borehole is at 37 plus 32 mm, which equals to 69. We change this here and hit plus again. Then our next borehole is at 37 plus 128 mm, which equals to 165 mm. Our next borehole is additional 32 mm to the back, which equals to 197 mm. Then we hit plus again. Now we have already our boreholes on the sides. Now let us add the boreholes on the front. As we can see here, they are 15.5 mm from the side of the cabinet and 47.5 mm from the bottom of the cabinet. The direction for these boreholes is in Y-. Y is 0 in this case. And then hit plus. Our next hole is 47.5 mm plus 32 mm, which equals to 79.5 mm. And hit plus again. Now the only part that's left are the boreholes for the back of our drawer box. Let us quickly add these. Now we have here 9 mm and X, 32 mm and Z, also a depth of 2 and diameter of 5. Our next hole is at Z, 64 mm. Then hit plus again. Now that we have all our boreholes and our parts have the correct sizes, we can hit save. Now we want to add another depth. We want one with a nominal length of 350 mm. Which is also 128 as A, with the same height, and only 50 mm deeper. We have to change the following values: the minimal depth, the depth of the bottom of our drawer, and that's it. Now we can hit save again. If we want to add another one with 400 mm in depth, we need to change this value. And this value. And then we also need to change these boreholes here. Because A is now 192. And 192 plus 37 millimeters is 229 millimeters. So we first select our borehole, then we enter 229, hit plus, and then minus again to remove the other hole. Now we do the same thing for the next hole. We have here a Y value of 261. Now we hit again plus and minus to remove the other hole. Now we are done and we can hit save. If we now take some drawers, select our box system and put these drawers inside of this cabinet, you can now see the drawers we just created. This is also visible in our parts list here. Don't forget to specify a price in the calculation settings. This was how to add drawer boxes to TrunCAD. Thank you for watching.